Give us.
Then 2021, Mukiza must go. He's a thief. He has stolen all the money. They failed to kill Mukiza. Because I'm an authentic man, I'm an authentic leader. And you should know that I'm doing a service. It's a calling. I don't know that I said Pentecostals will not be counted. And there was a code on the questionnaire. I don't remember saying it. Can you remind me where I did it? Or bring a tape? I think the argument then was on born again. The debate was on born again. The Pentecostals and evangelists are claiming that they are born again and others are not. So I told them, but I'm an Anglican and I'm born again also. So because I'm born again, I profess that Jesus Christ is my personal Savior. I am a Pentecostal. That was where the debate was. In fact, if you don't know the story of evangelism, it came right from Kigeza and Angole during the period of revival. My father was an evangelist preaching the gospel, but he was professing to Anglican faith. So how do you say, whoever says I'm born again? That was the only problem, but Pentecostals are there and you can see they have grown. Every others have grown, but now the confusion is the share. What is the share, or what is the population of Roman Catholic to the total population? When you compare the two census periods, you find the share is reducing, but they are growing. They have demonstrated it here. Their share is reducing because one, the population is increasing. They are growing, but their share is reducing, and many of them we see them going to Pentecostal. But it is obvious, they also know it. And many people are moving in the ages between 24 to 35. We demonstrated it, we saw it in the data. They come, it's time for wedding, they come to their churches, Anglican, Catholic. But praying there, you are told they are where. Now when you ask them, we say we are Pentecostal. So that's the issue. Helen, do you have any other thing you want to say? That I have forgotten? You can come here. You know when I go, you know to me. Somebody said that they should do garbage in here like the garbage in the cases here. You know the director. We work together. So you said at the end, I'm sure. LCs were involved elsewhere, but what I found unique, you know, unique is easy to reach, but difficult to access. I even had a meeting with my LCs where I stay on the second day. Some of them say, yes, we know, but we have delegated. If there is a problem, I had a meeting with them. And that's where we agreed that, because that time the DCOs, the census officers, had said, LCs don't have mobile money, we pay them and they pay. They are said, you know,